couple of weeks ago I've been to another conference, kind of similar, but I already, even if it's only the first day for the moment, I see that the level of the speakers and the depth of the discussion is much bigger or much higher.
I can tell you that already from day one I was mind blown. By the end of the day I had made meaningful connections, but above all the agenda was powerful. It touched sustainability from different perspectives and sustainable packaging.
I think the value of this event is really the fact that you have packaging people around the table. So we are sharing the same concerns. But we are coming from different industries.
I think it's the right model of alternating, sharing different vision with the speakers. So we all come with our different, approach and perspective on the market, on what is packaging and so on.
What I like is to see how different companies are approaching it. And particularly like an international brand has to have a very different strategy to what we as Migros, being Swiss-based and focused on Switzerland, have to come up with. So I find that very interesting, but I also like the diversity.
The diversity of the topics is really interesting, and as well as the level of the talks that we've seen so far. So yeah, that's really good.